second. We'll just finish it.
Yeah.
This is no what this is. This is all panned fibers.
My iPhone though I have not checked only because it is on induction.
Let's see how clean that thing is. I think I know how to do it. I know how to do it. You hold the phone. Okay. I'll do it.
Now first see my phone.
Yeah, I'll see yours.
And mine.
That is clean. That I did in Bombay only.
Ew.
Please, I want to do it.
I did one move your head, please.
That's how my other phone,
What's spoiled?
the socket got spoiled.
What
Because it
other
wasn't
phone?
going in properly.
What are the phone?
Old one.
The black one?
Mhm.
That's
Which
why.
I disassembled completely.
That's why it was not charging properly.
And the same problem is in this speaker also. I have to clean the speaker, but I
Oh,
don't,
the speaker is very dirty.
I don't know how to open the phone.
Worst of all.
Hey, one.
Aaron, get me a small pin. Like today, how you
No,
got me that?
He won't find a pen.
No, he got me something today. You know what he got me?
I don't think this.
That paper clip. Look.